Hustlers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anissa, and if you are new here, welcome. This is The Rich Hustle, where we talk all things business. We're talking social media, marketing, branding, how-tos, and just tips and tricks that will allow you to promote and grow in business. Today, I wanted to show you guys this quick, easy, and free trick that you can do in order to make yourself a logo for your business. Now, this is not the most advanced logo, but if you're getting started, you don't have the resources, the money, or any of those good things, then, this is an easy way for you to be able to accomplish making your business a logo on your own. So, without further ado, and if you're interested, stay tuned so I can show you how you can make a logo in less than 10 minutes and for free. All right, hustlers. So here's the website. It's Zarla.com. And basically, I'm just going to go ahead and type what my brand name is inside of this space bar here and press to create my free logo. Now, after that, it's going to pop up this screen that basically gives you a space to write what your business or what your logo, what type of logo you're looking for what niche or area you're looking for a logo for. So for The Rich Hustle, as an example, we do like business coaching or advice. So you can just go ahead and type whatever your business market is inside of this, and then it'll give you all of the options that they have available. After that, Zarla will ask you if you have a slogan or tell us about your business, what's your business about. If you have like a catchphrase or line that you use, you can go ahead and use this space to put that information there. Now you will have the option to select if you sell physical products, you offer actual services, or if you're just planning to make a logo for a business that you're starting soon. You'll then be able to either search for icons, which are like the symbols that come with the logo, or if you want Zarla to actually generate them for you, we're just going to go ahead and pick for them to generate logos. Now, as you can see, they create all of these different logos with different font styles, different icons, and you can even further edit them to your liking. So I'm going to show you guys how you can do that now. After selecting which one you like, you can simply take that one, or you can further edit it as you see on the left-hand side. The cool thing about Zarla that I do like is they show you how it looks on an iPhone, coffee mug, backpacks, even on Facebook, so you can go ahead and see what it will look like. But we're going to further edit it, so I'm going to show that now. So for example, you can see they have all of these different icons here. So say you don't like the one that they generated for you, but you do like the font style, you can go over here on the left-hand side and look at other options, or you can use this space bar and type in what you're looking for. The Rich Hustle, we have rich in there, so I think of money. So we'll go ahead and type in money and see what comes up for that. The options that they offer for editing, you can change the size of the icon, you can change the margins, you can change the color of it. So it's really just up to you. You can even turn the icon off. You can change the font style to different type of fonts, and which is like the writing or how the Rich Hustle will look. So let me show you guys how different ones will look with different style writing. So it's really just up to you and what you prefer for your business. So I wanted to show you guys what it would look like if you added your slogan. So I'm just going to come up with something really quick to go with the Rich Hustle so that you can see what it would look like completed with the slogan. The next option that they offer, you can change up your colors, and they have different color palettes for you to change to, just in case you don't really know what colors would look good together. They give you suggestions, and the cool part is that when you change the colors and make different edits to your logo, they will also update how they will look on the items that were showed to you previously. The fourth option provided is to change your background color. So if you don't like the white, you can definitely change it to whatever color you like. And again, it will show on the options below how it would look on a t-shirt that's black, or just with a black background, or whatever color you decide to choose from. They also provide you with different layouts. So if you wanted it to be situated a certain way, depending on what you're using it for, you also have that option available to you as well. And the last option on the side, ideas, is just basically taking you back to square one, where you have different options on how things can be set up for you if you wanted to maybe scrap what you just did and start over from the beginning. Lastly, I wanted to show you guys that you have different options in industries that you can use the creator for. So I'm going to do one different industry, and that'll be as a makeup artist, so that you can see the different options that you have available for whatever market or industry that you're in. Once you have the logo of your liking, you're simply going to input your email address, press free download, and then it will send the free logo to your email. Alrighty, hustlers, so that wraps up our video for today. I hope that was insightful and helpful on how you can create a logo for free and really quickly for your business. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to drop them down below. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so that you can be notified on our next upload. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.